Hello everyone, Enrico from ClickTrust here. So in this video I want to show you a couple of features that are available for Google Looker Studio Pro users. And these are number one, automatic slide generation with Gemini, and number two, conversational analytics. So let's get started. So for the first point is we're gonna click here on Gemini and we're gonna click on generate the slides. There's not much more you can do at this point in time. Simply generate the slides. You can either select the oopsie, no, let me go back. You can either select the slides that you want. You can select, for example, 1, 2, and 3, and then click on done and generate the slides. But what I've realized, if you do that, you're gonna have everything on one slide. What we're gonna do, just to see what the result is like, is gonna click here and then we're gonna get it for all slides. It has taken a little longer than usual, but as you can see, it generated some slide. Here it says slide generation failed, but it's actually not true, because if I click on it, if I click on it, it did give me some slides, and I've tested this several times and it's always looking the same. So as you can see, there's some slides that are pretty useless. And if I read if I read the insights and what it says, it's actually factually incorrect. So I think there is potential here for the future, but so far it's looking fine, but the insights that it give you, they're incorrect. Feature number two is conversational analytics. Here we can choose between plugging in our data source from Google Sheet, from BigQuery, or from a CSV file, and ask questions conversationally directly about our data. So here I plugged in my dummy data, and let's try to ask some question, and then on the side I'm gonna verify if it's correct or not. Let's just see, what is the revenue in 2025? I ask for the revenue, I get the total media, which is not exactly what I was looking for. Let's see at least if it's correct. Well, at least the total media is correct. Let's see if I ask some questions. For example, what is the average monthly spend for Google in 2024? That's correct. What is the total Facebook spend in 2021? Well, so far so good. You only got one question wrong where I asked about the revenue and gave me the total media spent, but I've tested it on bigger data sets and actually the answers are not correct, especially if you ask for visualizations or if you ask for more complex calculations, then the result is just not good. It's not there yet. If you're interested in improving your dashboarding skills, check out our training on clicktrust.be. Thank you.